Hello, I'm Annika Urm, and I am your guide to a healthy lifestyle. And today I'm going to talk about monk fruit. Uh, Previously I talked about stevia, and today it's monk fruit. Stevia and monk fruit, they're analogous products in the sense that they're both naturally derived. This one is made from monk fruit, and stevia is from the stevia leaf. So, in that sense, these are natural sources. We have available monk fruit with allulose, 1 to 10, and pure monk fruit extract, 1 to 18. And the pure monk fruit extract has a very caramel-like taste with a caramel aftertaste. It's even a bit smoky. It's also caramel flavored, but a bit milder. And the 1 to 10 ratio in that half kilogram package is equivalent to 5. It's like 5 grams of white sugar per serving. With this, it lasts for a very long time. You use very little of it because that 1 to 10 ratio means you only need to add a pinch or the tip of a small spoon. So, for example, if you would use 100 grams of sugar in a sweet cake, you can use 10 grams of monk fruit instead. And as a sugar substitute, it does not raise blood sugar. It is friendly for diabetes and keto diets. It doesn't cause addiction and it doesn't damage your teeth. It doesn't deplete your vitamins and minerals. And the amount you use is very small. It can completely replace white sugar. I have made jams. I even have some here on the table, strawberry jam and apricot jam, so it's easy to substitute it. You use 10 times less according to taste. The jams keep well if you seal them properly in jars, and they last for years. Once you open them, though, it's best to eat them within 5 days. But you can very easily make all kinds of cakes, desserts, coffee, tea. The simplest desserts are, for example, sour cream, cocoa, and monk fruit. Or, for example, cottage cheese, and then you add that jam. So anyone can make these every day. It's healthy. In this homemade jam, there are no preservatives, no colorants, and it contains real berries because store-bought jam is made only of pectin, water, sugar, and colorants. So there aren't any real berries in it, or if there are, it's in a very small amount. Visit the website goldenstevia.com. You can buy monk fruit and stevia sweeteners, and they will be delivered to you so you can start a sugar-free life. Thank you.